Hey there. Are you looking to learn the basics of using a computer? Don't worry, it's not as difficult as it may seem. In this video, we'll show you some simple steps to help you get started. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with your computer's desktop. When you turn on your PC, the first thing you see is the desktop. This is where you'll find all your applications and files. Take a few minutes to explore the desktop icons and the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Learn to navigate the internet. The internet is a vast and useful tool, which makes learning how to navigate it essential. Open up your web browser and start exploring websites. Try going to popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Practice typing in keywords to search for information on a topic. Step 3. Practice typing and using a mouse. Typing and using a mouse are two essential skills you'll need when using a computer. Spend some time typing out sentences and paragraphs. This will help you get comfortable with the keyboard and improve your typing speed. Also, practice clicking, double-clicking, and right-clicking using your mouse. Step 4. Create new documents and folders. Creating new documents and folders is a great way to stay organized and keep your work together. Try creating a new folder and organizing your files into it. Also, create a new text document and type something in it. Step 5. Experiment with basic applications. Your PC comes with various applications, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Take the time to experiment with them, learn their functions, and understand their layout. Congratulations! You've just learned the basics of using a computer. Continue to practice and explore more advanced features to get the most out of your PC. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video useful.